Well, it's kind of cold today, raining out. What we have here is a Mitsubishi RvR. Really nice vehicle, but needs a brand new battery. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly tell you a quick history on this battery. So this is the second battery already on this. It's about like 3 years ago we put a brand new battery, and that battery is a AC Doggo brand. Came from my work. There's a really good battery, Group 35 Silver Series. That's about 2.5 years warranty. So about 2 years ago, that's when it failed, so it's still under warranty, so we put a second one. This is the second one, and now the second one is just a little bit over a year, and now the second one is shot. We put it on the test machine and did a charge and test, and the result, it says low cold cranking amps. The spec on this, the cold cranking amps, is I believe 630, and they only measured 350 around that area. I can show you the picture of the receipt here. So its cold cranking amp is low. It keeps a charge from an alternator, and it holds, bolts, but it's not holding a crank at all. So to me, the plates on inside of the battery is probably, a couple plates are probably shots. That's why it just gives me a half cold cranking amps that supposed to be. So anyways, that's the history of that battery. AC Doggo battery, I have no bad feelings about AC Doggo batteries. I have good vibes about that battery. I got a Accord, Cadillac, Honda, Toyota's vehicles with AC Doggo battery, and they've been good to me. Somehow this one is the first one that I came across that didn't last long. So this is the third battery, and this is what we're gonna put in. Is this brand. Gonna give this a try. Canada proof, mixed tech edition. I never had this battery before, never tried it, so we're gonna give this a try for the first time. So the good thing about this is the warranty, 60 months. That's like 5 years warranty. So this is the top of the line out there. I seen 3 years, 4.5 warranty, but this one is 5 years. This is crazy. So as long as you own the vehicle, as long as you're the owner, the warranty of this battery is up to 5 years. So this is awesome. So we're gonna give this a try. Cold cranking now 640. All right, so we're gonna show you how to take the old one. All the tools you need is, you don't really need an impact. Just a pick hook, a ratchet, a tiny pry bar, screwdriver, and a combination wrench, 10mm and a 8mm socket. That's all you need. Alright guys, so let's start by taking the push and retainer right here. Just use a flat screwdriver and a pick. Pull those off. This will plop open. And there's a tiny two little screwdriver in a screwdriver. This tiny little plastic screw right here. Just twist it. Here's the screw right here that I'm talking about. And then now you're gonna take this little snorkel off. Just peel off like that. Pretty easy. And then the battery is exposed. Now you're gonna have to take out the negative first. and then positive after. So guys, make sure if you have one of those battery maintainer, make sure to hook it up right now, because when you take out this cable, your clock, your setting, your radio stuff will be disabled. So make sure connect your battery maintainer on right now before you're taking out this cable. Just loosen it up, take that off, put it on the side. Now is the positive. You use 10 mil sockets on this one. Got to split this thing open a little bit. Just like that. See, there's a little corrosion. We're gonna have to clean that corrosion. We're gonna use we're gonna use a brush, Y brush. All right. Well, let's take out that 10mm nut, and this one you're gonna need a deep socket one. Spray penetrating fluid on this threads and nuts. We don't want to bugger up the threads, because looks like the nuts is getting rusty now. So that goes right here on the side. Don't want to lose that nut. Alright, let's pull them off. Just like that. By looking at this battery, it seems like it's not bulgy or anything. So I dropped that other bolt that hooks into the battery, and this magnet right here is your friendly tool. There you go. Look at that. That's the magnet tool. The magic of magnet you're gonna need. Alright guys, so let's put the brand new battery, and we'll clean that brush. Clean it good. Make sure you don't want all that extra stuff hanging here. Clean it really good. Baking soda will work too, but it will take a while. That's good enough. Alright, the Mextech battery is going in. Face backwards. Positive right there. Negative on the driver's side. Alright, let's put this brackets back on. It just hooks into the housing. Snug tight. And then this one is next. Alright, so just a little snug tight on this bolt here. Don't go too crazy. This two bolts is what holds the battery down, so it won't move around. It's a little snug. That's good. All right, guys, get you guys a good close-up view here. Let's put the battery cable back on. But first, do the positive. Just let it sit nice and tight in there. 10mm socket to tighten up. Just like that. And then give a good wiggle. That's good. It's not moving. There you go. Then negative. Just like that. It's a little snug. There you go. And then give a little tug, wiggle. See, it moved. Need a little bit more. All right. There you go. Give a little tug, and that's good. The battery, and that's good. It's not moving. It's solid. So let's just put everything back together now. So first, the snorkel go in first. Like that. Line up the hole where this little retainer goes in there. One at a time. I'll show you that retainer I'm talking about. So it's right there. Those are the two retainer screws. Okay. I have to put this one right here. Then we're gonna have to screw that one down. All right, so those screws are good. Two more screws, retainer goes in here. Like that. Everything is good. There's no cover on this battery. I wonder why they don't put cover. Alright, that looks good. Alright guys, let's shut the door and let's go start it up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's a fix. I'll see you next time.